All right, guys, a lot of awesome cues in this workout to get the most out of your hamstrings and abdominals. Today is our stress day for hamstrings and abdominals. I actually like this day because I never used to like training hamstrings until I paired the exercises up like this. And I find this gets your back of the legs an amazing pump. I've never really felt like my glutes, hamstrings, lower back feel like that awesome pump like you can get in your arms and your chest. And this workout's gonna do the trick. So we've got 4 exercises on hamstrings, and then we'll do 4 exercises on abdominals. And if you've never trained your abdominals with direct ab training, you're gonna love this workout because we're giving them same priority that we give our chests, our back, our bis, our tris. So I think you're gonna like this workout. Stress day, 4 exercises. I'll give you all the cues as you go. Pay close attention, especially to the stuff on hamstrings, because it's really gonna change the way that your legs develop, and it's gonna do it in a way that doesn't smash up your spine and lower back, okay? A lot of people don't know what I'm about to teach you, and that's why they walk around and they're limping, they're paying for therapy left and right, and they just end up losing more from the gym than gaining from the gym. That's not the way it's supposed to be. All right, so let's do it right. Let's get into it. You need to think about your hips moving forwards and backwards, all right? And you're not keeping the bar close to your thighs, which is what most people do. That just turns your trunk into a hinge, which just jacks up your spine. What you want to think about is your hips moving backwards and then forwards. That way you can keep the bar a few inches in front of your thighs, so when you're going down, you're not just loading your glutes and hamstrings, but you're actually activating your abdominals. That's gonna help you get into more trunk flexion, which is gonna allow you to stretch out your glutes and hamstrings more, improving the quality of the workout. As you do this movement, there's 2 things I want you to think about. 1, drive your heels into the ball. And then as you're curling, increase the height of your hips a bit so you can get your hamstrings short at the knee joint and the hip joint, all right? You'll feel a big difference when you just do that one thing. Now we're using a horizontal back extension machine. Now, depending on your strength through your lower back, hamstrings, glutes, you can put your hands across your chest. That would make it the easiest. Or you can put your hands at your ears like I'm doing, or you can put them above your head as an advanced method. I don't want you to think about moving your trunk. I want you to think about driving your thighs into the pad and activating through your posterior chain. Activate through your glutes, your hamstrings, contract that stuff first. And when you contract that stuff first, then your trunk will start to follow, squeezing through the movement and not swinging through the movement. Before you curl the weight, I want you to drive your thighs and hips into the pad. That's gonna create everything stable, which is gonna create a more intense contraction on your hamstrings. Don't swing the weight up, squeeze the weight up. If that's the only thing you take from this video, stop swinging, start squeezing on these higher rep workouts. You will get a much better pump, all right? You're gonna feel like you took 5 scoops of your pre-workout. All right, try that one thing today. Don't swing, squeeze, all right? When you squeeze, the muscles are actually working, and that's how you're gonna get bigger muscles. All right, once we're done 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps on hamstrings, we're moving on to abdominals. First exercise here are our guard hammer raises. You're seeing this exercise a lot in the program because it's one of the single best abdominal exercises that I've found to just challenge everything from top to bottom through your core. So we've got 10 to 15 reps here. You'll see that I'm doing a few funky things here, some rotation at the hip. You can play with this. Depending on your level, you can just do knees to chest, you can do some rotation, you can kick your legs out to make it a little harder. As long as you find a move that really challenges your abdominals, I'm cool with the variation that you do here. We're gonna go to the floor and we're gonna do V-ups with the ball. If using the med ball is too challenging, no problem. Just put your hands behind your head. If hands behind your head is too challenging, just put your hands across your chest. But we're going for 10 to 15 reps, all right? Thinking about bringing your thighs and your chest together, activating from your abdominals first. We're always squeezing from the working muscle, all right? We're never initiating from another part of the body, or else you're defeating the purpose of the workout. You'll get the reps, but you won't get the result. Now you'll see here in the B-roll, I'm doing different variations just to give you some variety. The simple way to do this is just off your elbows and go for as long as you can. We're going for max time here. So pick your favorite plank variation. I don't care what variation it is, whatever works for you, and go for as long as you can. And then we're finishing off this giant set with side planks. Both sides, same thing, go as long as you can. If you want to put your leg up in the air, if you want to do side raises, if you want to go with your arms straight, if you want to go with it bent, I don't care. Just find a version that challenges the side of your core, all right? Once you've done those 4 exercises, that's it. You're going to do 3 rounds of that, 60 seconds in between each round. To finish this workout off, we're gonna do some quads and calves, touch-up sets. I'll throw some B-roll on from a previous workout so that you guys can see what we're doing here. Again, the name of the game, guys, is frequency, frequency, frequency. If you're a natural guy, you've got to stimulate your muscles more frequently than anyone else, all right? Guys that are on steroids, they're able to train so much because the drugs enhance their body's hormone profile so that they can recover faster. So we have to think of the smarter way to do this, the safer way, the natural way, and that's just to add touch-up sets. So by training your body parts twice a week instead of once per week, you're gonna see faster results, okay? So 2 sets of 10 on the split squats and the calf raises, and you're all done. That's your workout. Now to finish off the hip and ab workout, as you guys know in phase 2, we do touch-up sets to ensure we get more volume spread throughout the course of the week, which produces better muscle building results for you. And all we're doing here is 2 sets of 8 to 10 on our calves and our quads, all right? Because we had our calf and quad main session already in the week. Now we're gonna just do a little touch-up. We're gonna do a standing calf machine press, 8 to 10 reps, and then you're gonna go right into the dumbbell Bulgarian split squat, 8 to 10 reps, rest 60 seconds, do that a second time, and your workout's done. Nice and straightforward here, guys. That's it, guys. That is your hamstring and abdominal workout. What'd you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. You guys have been quiet lately. I don't know if it's because of YouTube's algorithm or what, but I don't really care. We're going to our destination because we're not doing this for hearts and likes and comments. We're doing this because we have a mission, and the mission is to help scrawny guys, skinny guys, guys or even who are muscular, go to the next level and realize whatever you want to do out there, it all starts in here. All right, if you can't focus in here, you can't focus out there. If you can't commit in here, you can't commit out there. So use these workouts as an opportunity, a testing ground. If you truly mean what you say when you say you want to go achieve your goals, all right? This is a great place to start. You're gonna get those tangible results. And if you need some help, if you need a plan so that you can eliminate the guesswork when you come to the gym, get my book, all right? It's free. I'll ship it to your front door. You just pay shipping, all right? I think that's a fair deal. I'm gonna give you a book, a muscle building program for free. In exchange for $1 million body, all you do is cover the shipping, okay? So pick it up right now while we've got copies left. We've already sold out of over 2,000 copies. I've just ordered another 1,000, so don't miss out again, all right? Pick it up today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.